Press it.
I already did.
You did?
Stop. It's all close.
Pretty good.
Catching.
Oh, it's a monkey.
Ooh.
Where's the receipt?
Go, cashier number 5.
Oh my.
I would like to. Where's the receipt?
Is it in there? It's not in there?
What's right here? Sorry.
So who texted you?
The color's good though. It fits him. It just didn't fit him.
It was too small on me.
Don't you think still big?
Idiot. Oh, this.
Today's been a good day.
Huh?
Today's been a good day.
For reals.
It has.
We should do this every week.
The freaking flashes on this. That's gross. Should I stop it now?
Yeah. No point.
Shout outs to the person who's doing the camera.
Yeah. Shout out.
To Marshall.
Shout out to me.
Shout outs to Marshalls
Shout out to Marshalls.
for being so. Dude, you know we're taking a video, not a picture.
Oh, I thought it was a picture.
What did you do?
Stop, stop, stop.
Ah.
Give it to me.
No, no.